Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this video, we will look at the paragraph field and how to style text inside it. The paragraph field is useful for adding static text to your form, such as instructions, notes, disclaimers. We already have a basic appointment form ready with fields like name, phone number, and appointment date and time. Now we'll add a paragraph field to show some clinic rules at the top of the form. Start by dragging the paragraph field into your form. For this example, we'll add sample paragraph at the top of an appointment form. We'll use the same text to show how formatting works. When you select the paragraph field, you'll see basic settings on the right. Here you can change the font to match your brand or your form and adjust the font weight to make the text look lighter or heavier. For this demo, we'll keep these settings as they are. When you hover over the paragraph field in the editor, you'll see text formatting options. You can make words bold, italic, or underline to draw attention. For example, you can bold the first sentence of a paragraph so users notice it immediately. You can change the text color and the background color to highlight warnings or keynotes. For example, you can highlight "Visit our help page" with a distinct color and background, especially when you're adding a link to that text, so it stands out clearly. You can turn lines into bullet lists or numbered lists when you want the rules to read like clear points. For example, you can convert the 3 rules into a bullet list to make them easier to read and follow. You can use alignment options to place the text on the left, center, or right. You can insert a link anywhere in the paragraph. For example, you can turn "Visit our help page" into a clickable link. That opens your support FAQ page. Indent controls how far the text starts from the left edge, allowing you to create nested lines or offset specific parts. For example, you can indent the last line of your note to visually separate it from the rest of the paragraph. You can adjust the font size and line height to make your paragraph easier to read. You can slightly decrease the size of the pointer text and add more spacing so the instructions feel clearer and more comfortable. Once your text is styled, you can use its select field to reference other fields inside your paragraph. This is useful when you want to mention a field name inside the text and keep it in sync. Let's add one more paragraph field at the end of the same appointment form and type "Thank you." Here you use a select field to insert the name field inside the paragraph. When the user fills in the name field, the paragraph will automatically include that value in the sentence. That's a quick tour of how the paragraph field works in Makeforms. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.